way, dude.
Shut up. It's cool. It's awesome.
We're taking it easy. It's getting wet. Got her running. Well, none.
Oh, do I need to put it all the way down?
The trim? Oh.
Might well. I mean, it's, we don't want it to run high, right?
There's your little trail over there.
There's your road.
So we're going so fast, speedometer doesn't even show anything. I'll go back in
We need to learn
there.
how to do the trolling.
Well, it's kind of windy, isn't it? You think there's somewhere we can go where it won't be as windy?
There's fish showing up on my fish
I don't give a
lane
fuck
right
about
now.
fish right
You can drive it,
Nope,
go
you're
around
good.
and I'll fish.
now. No, you're doing fine. Just don't run into the trees over there. Gotta remember we're practicing. Uh-oh.
Let's speed it up 20 miles an hour.
You're not gonna go 20 mile an hour. I'm scared to death right now. Got gas yet? Okay.